To install QuickBooks Enterprise 2025, start by ensuring your computer meets the system requirements, which include a 2.4 GHz processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 2.5 GB of disk space. Next, insert the installation CD or download the installation file from the official QuickBooks website. Once you have the installation file, run it as an administrator and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to choose the installation type, either Express or Custom. The Express installation is recommended for most users, as it will automatically install the program with the default settings. If you choose the Custom installation, you will be able to select the components you want to install, such as the database server or the web connector. You will also be able to choose the installation location and the Start menu folder. After selecting the installation type, you will be prompted to enter your license number and product number. These can be found on the packaging or in the email you received when you purchased QuickBooks. Once you have entered your license and product numbers, the installation will begin. This may take several minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. When the installation is complete, you will be prompted to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, launch QuickBooks Enterprise 2025 and follow the on-screen instructions to activate the program. You will be prompted to create a new company file or open an existing one. If you are creating a new company file, you will need to enter information such as your company name, address, and tax ID number. It is also recommended to set up the administrator password and create a backup of your company file. This will help to protect your data and prevent unauthorized access. Finally, take some time to familiarize yourself with the QuickBooks Enterprise 2025 interface and features. You can do this by exploring the menus and toolbars, and by watching the tutorials and videos that are available on the QuickBooks website. By following these steps, you can successfully install QuickBooks Enterprise 2025 and start managing your business finances with ease.